Hey all, welcome to my channel Literature with Priya, and in this video I am going to share a few tips for studying classics. Yes, most of us will find it difficult to comprehend what is there in the classic books because the language will be bit difficult. I too faced that things. Then I followed the few tips which made me easier to comprehend the classic novels and books. So first, go for a summary, chapter-wise summary, which you could find in few websites like Lit Charts and Spark Notes. These websites are quite useful, and if it is for an exam point of view, then you guys can go for it. And after reading the chapter-wise summary, you could go for reading. First of all, don't go for a contextual reading. First read it for fun, then after getting few crux of it, then go for a contextual reading. And while you are doing a contextual reading, please don't forget to underline the quotes which you feel that are important, because in exams you will have a essay type of questions in which you will see they will be given a quotation and they will ask you to analyze or explain it. There it will be kind of our ERC based questions, reference and context based questions. For that you must have read the novel or book, so you could understand and therefore you could explain it in a clear way. And even though you feel it difficult after reading the chapter wise summary, then you could go for a movie adaptation of it. In YouTube itself we could find plenty of movie adaptations of the classics. If for example, if you take Pride and Prejudice, you could find a movie adaptation for it. After watching the movie adaptation, you could go for a contextual reading, and in this way you will feel a bit easier to comprehend what there it is. And if you're preparing for a competitive exam, then the mind map is compulsory. Mandatorily you must make a mind map. In this way you will feel easier when you are revising for your exams. And the last but the most important step is to discuss, because while I am reading a particular novel, I will have a different kind of point of view, and your point of view may differ from mine, right? So if we go for discussion, then we could get a lot of interpretations, different kind of interpretations, which will be helpful while writing your essay questions. So yeah, these are the few tips to follow if you find reading classics a bit difficult. By following these tips, you may easily comprehend what there it is. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Have a happy reading. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.